It took a jury just 55 minutes to deliberate in the case of former Gilman School teacher Christopher Bendann, finding him guilty on all 9 counts, including sexual exploitation of a minor, possession of child pornography, and cyber stalking.
There were just undeniable points of evidence that corroborated the facts of the case to support the substantiation of the allegations.
A juror who wanted to remain anonymous said there was a copious amount of evidence and facts they simply could not ignore. The prosecution alleged the relationship between the victim and ex-Gilman school teacher Christopher Bendann started when the victim was 14 or 15 years old. They said when the victim was in middle school, Bendann spotted vulnerability and took advantage of it, often calling the victim his puppy. They once again presented videos of the victim allegedly as a minor, being forced to masturbate and being touched by Bendann, who they called not just a former teacher, but a, quote, former wolf in sheep's clothing. They presented metadata from the videos, which they say proved he was under 18 at the time they were taken. The relationship, they allege, escalated to cyber stalking, where he would threaten to expose the victim if he didn't send more photos. The victim was not in a relationship. The victim was in hell, they said, adding he latched onto that kid and never let go, saying the time has come to make him let go and find him guilty. The defense did not challenge the cyber stalking charge, admitting Bendann lost his mind when the victim left for college. On the other charges they presented, the relationship between the two as mutual, calling it romantic, alleging it all occurred after the victim turned 18. His attorney telling the jury if the victim was being sexually exploited as a minor, quote, the family would have known, and so would his best friend. They also said he would have reported the abuse. In Baltimore, Maxine Stryker, Fox 45 News.
Bendann faces a minimum sentence of 15 years in federal prison on each of the 5 counts of sexual exploitation of a minor. He faces a maximum of 10 years for possession of child pornography and a minimum 5 years for cyber stalking. A sentencing date has not yet been set.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.